Good morning, children. From Maths Paper 1, first lesson, linear equation in two variables. Practice at 1.2. Solve the linear equation graphically. In that, the third question, x plus y, 2x minus y is equal to 9. Now we are going to solve these two questions by the graphical method. First equation is x plus y is equal to 0, and we'll find out the points for this equation to draw the graph, to draw a line on a graph paper. X plus y is equal to 0. First we'll arrange the equation as x is equal to minus y, or also we can write y is equal to minus x. So we'll use this equation y is equal to minus x. We'll consider any point for the x and we'll find out the value for the y. If I'll take x as a 1, y is minus 1. If x is 2, y value is minus 2. If x is minus 2, then y will become plus 2. And one more point I'll take 0. X is 0, then y will be also be 0. So I got the four coordinates: 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, minus 2 and 2, 0 and 0. Okay, these four coordinates for the equation x plus y is equal to 0. Now we'll solve for the second equation, 2x minus y is equal to 9. Now we'll arrange the equation. 2x minus 9 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 2x minus 9. Now we'll solve in the rough. Y is equal to 2x minus 9. For the x, if I'll take 2, this is 2 into 2 minus 9, 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. So for x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 5. So first coordinate is 2 minus 5. Now 2x minus 9, now I'm taking x as 3. So 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. So for the x is equal to plus 3, y is equal to minus 3. So second coordinate is 3 minus 3. Now we'll consider x as 0. So this will be 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9 is equal to minus 9. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 9. 0 minus 9. If we'll take one negative number, 2 into minus 1 minus 9, it will become minus 2 minus 9 minus 11. So minus 11 is very big number to show on the graph paper. So we won't consider this. We'll take another positive number only. So 2 into, we'll take 4. 4 minus 9, that is 8 minus 9 minus 1. For x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 1. So the fourth coordinate is 4 minus 1. So here we got all the coordinates for both the two equations. Now we will plot these points on the graph paper. This is the graph paper showing x and y axis. So right here x, x dash, y and y dash, and coordinates positive on this side, negative on this, positive on the upper side and negative on the down side. So this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So now the as we have got the points, we'll plot the points on this graph paper. For the first line, the coordinates are 1 minus 1, 1 on the x-axis, minus 1 on the y-axis. So it will come in the fourth quadrant. 1 minus 1. Second quadrant is 2 minus 2. On x-axis 2, y-axis minus 2. So it is also in the fourth quadrant. 2 minus 2. Third coordinate is minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 on the x-axis and plus 2 on the y-axis. So it will come in the second quadrant, minus 2 plus 2. fourth point is 0, 0. So it is here in the origin. This is 0, 0. Now we have drawn these 4 points. We'll join these points in a one line. This is the line. We'll write the equation over here. X plus y is equal to 0. Now we'll plot the coordinates of the second line. 2x minus y is equal to 9. The coordinates are 2 minus 5. So 2 on the x-axis minus 5 on the y-axis. 2 minus 5. 3 minus 3. 3 on x-axis minus 3 on y-axis. So this is 3 minus 3. 0, 9. 0 of x-axis and 9 on the y-axis, so it will come over here. 0, 9. 0 minus 9, and the fourth point is 4 minus 1. 4 on the x-axis minus 1 on the y-axis. Now we'll join these 4 points. I have joined the line and written the equation on this line. Now here the point of intersection of these two lines is 3 minus 3. So this is the solution of the equation. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3.